It's March, so it's almost time for sakura season in Japan. I like to introduce some of my favorite spots and what to do in the area. The first one I like to introduce is the famous Naka-Meguro River. The charm of the Naka-Meguro cherry blossom is something you won't want to miss, regardless of whether you're a first-time visitor or a frequent traveler. Cherry blossoms line both sides of the river. Along the river there are many restaurants and cafes. I recommend visiting School Bus. It's a small cozy cafe with views of the cherry blossoms. Their coffee and sweets are also very delicious. The walk along the river is around 4 kilometers. There are also many dogs. Just take your time strolling around, admiring the beautiful flowers and fragrance, all while shopping and enjoying some food. Don't forget to visit the Starbucks Reserve Roastery for some unique drinks and souvenirs. There are approximately 800 cherry blossoms. Do expect it to be busy, especially in the weekends, but there is a great vibe. There are illuminated pink lanterns along the river for mesmerizing nighttime views, so definitely stick around until nighttime. From Naka-Meguro, I recommend walking along a small stream to Umegaoka Station, which is also lined by cherry blossoms. From Umegaoka Station, you can walk to Gotokuji Temple, also known as the Cat Temple. Unfortunately, I did not film when I did this walk, but here are some pictures I took. It is very unknown, so it's really peaceful and quiet. Gotokuji Temple is located in the Setagaya ward of Tokyo. It is a Buddhist temple that is said to be the birthplace of the Maneki Neko, or lucky inviting cat figurine. These small statues, which portray a cat sitting up and beckoning with its front paw, have become quite popular all over the world with cat lovers. My second favorite spot is the Sumida River. Especially because this walk along the river is easily combined with exploring Skytree and Asakusa. Sumida Park's entrance is a 3-minute walk from the Asakusa station on the Tokyo Metro Ginza and Toei Subway Asakusa line, and a 5-minute walk from Asakusa station on the Tobu Skytree line. Around 510 cherry trees bloom along the river, and the walk is about 1 kilometer long. The blossoms provide a stunning backdrop to the nearby Tokyo Skytree. You can also book a yakatabune, a houseboat used as a restaurant, to enjoy the cherry blossoms from the river. Along the path there are also some yatai, which are food stalls. Shinjuku Gyoen is a more central location to enjoy some cherry blossoms. When I filmed this, it wasn't full bloom yet, but just imagine all these trees in bloom. Some trees are earlier than others. It depends on the type of tree. There are a wide variety of cherry blossoms, including kanzakura that bloom in February, somei which bloom from late March to early April, ichio and kanzan which bloom in mid-April, and baigoji juzukake sakura which bloom in late April. If you're visiting Kyushu during your Japan trip, definitely go to Dazaifu and Tenmangu. Visit between the end of January and early March to experience plum blossom viewing in one of Japan's top plum locations. Visiting the temple is worth it regardless of any plum or cherry blossoms. Explore the shrines and mountain paths around Dazaifu Tenmangu in spring for sublime cherry blossom viewings. There's also a tea house at the back of the temple, where you can sit down and enjoy the flowers. So when it's cherry blossom season, make sure to explore more than just the main temple grounds. Ueno Park has a few spots with plum and cherry blossoms. During the blossom season, there are food stalls scattered all around the park. Unfortunately, my timing was off and there were only a few trees in bloom. But just imagine all these places in full bloom. It would be beautiful. Especially the walkway through the lake is nice. Here are a few more spots around Tokyo, which I still need to explore myself. Chidori-ga-Fuchi Park is located behind the Imperial Palace, so perfect to combine the two. Yoyogi Park is another great spot, great to combine with Harajuku, Meiji Jingu Shrine and Shibuya. Asukayama Park is located in the northern part of Tokyo. When you visit it, it is easy to combine with a visit to Ikebukuro. Inokashira Park is right next to Kichijoji Station. Kichijoji is a stylish area for shopping and cafes. I hope you got some inspiration for your Japan trip during this amazing time. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.